Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to the Daily Current Affairs. Today, 4th of June, celebrated as International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. The purpose of this day is to acknowledge the pain suffered by children who are the victims of physical, mental and emotional abuse. Next one. Indian Air Force appointed Vice Chief as Vivek Ram Chaudhary. The Chief of Indian Air Force is RKS Badoria, and we celebrate Indian Air Force Day on 8th October. 8th of October. Next one. David Diop won the International Booker Prize for translated fiction with At Night All Blood is Black. He is the first French novelist to win the prize. Next one. CESL signs an MOU with CLASP Collaboration Labeling and Appliances Standard Program. CESL stands for Convergence Energy Services Limited, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of EESL, Energy Efficiency Services Limited. The CLASP is a international non-profit organization, and this MOE is signed for deploying energy efficiency technology. And the international non-profit organization means it does it it provides only the service from all over the world. And recently we have seen that CESL also signed an agreement with Goa Energy Development Agency to install solar plants for remote Goa village. It is a sign of about 5 years. And the next one, EESL has signed an MOU with Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioner Engineers. This MOU is signed to implement energy efficient and clean energy solution in HVAC, heating, ventilations, air conditioner and refrigerators under the Ministry of Power. The Ministry of Power is under the RK Singh, and the constituency of RK Singh is Ara. Next one. India has brought forward the target date for achieving 20% ethanol blending with petrol by 2 years to 2023. In the previous, it was it told that 20% of ethanol blending will achieve by the year 2025, and it was brought forward to 2023, which reduces the costly oil imports. Next one. Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind won the International Business Book of the Year award for 2021, and the book titled is Transformation in Time of Crisis, and this book is published by the Notion Press. Next one. Hisab Ki Kitab is a 6 modules short film of Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority, which is launched by the Sri Anurag Singh Tagore. Anurag Singh Tagore is the Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs. And these 6 short films are developed by the CSE as a part of their training tool. CSE stands for Common Service Center. And these modules highlight the importance of budget, saving, importance of insurance schemes and social security schemes of the government. Next news. NASA has announced that it is sending 2 new missions to Venus to examine the planet's atmosphere and geological features. It is expected to launch in between 2028 and 2030. Next news. Dr. Vinay K. Nandikuri is appointed as a new director of CCMB. CCMB stands for Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. It is located at Hyderabad, Telangana. Dr. Vinay Nandikuri is a molecular biologist and a scientist at NII, National Institute of Immunology. Next one. Defense Minister cleared a mega project to build 6 conventional submarines for the Indian Navy at the cost of around 43,000 crores. Defense Minister the Defense Ministry comes under the Rajnath Singh, and the constituency of Rajnath Singh is Lucknow. Next news. Recently, Facebook appointed Marnie Levine as its first chief business officer, and head of the Facebook is, we all know that, Mark Zuckerberg. Next one. Ahmedabad division of Western Railway Zone has become the first division over entire railways to implement the online payment system for freight charges on track management system. The freight charges are the the transportation of the goods in the trains. This can be done, the payment can be done through the online system fully. This is first done by the Ahmedabad division. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.